Hi, my name is Mary Hilda Kong and this is
Rosbella Sita Chivaya.
Thank you for joining us for yet another episode of Science Trivia. We're ready to jump straight into things, so drum roll.
Question 1. What is the most essential gas for us to breathe?
Oxygen. It was yours, you were not fast enough.
Question 2. How many teeth does an adult human have?
32.
Is that true? Are you sure?
Either 32 or 34. I can count you. I can count you.
32. That's the answer I know as well.
It's 32.
I am on a roll. I've never seen this before. A whole genius.
Next question. What is the largest planet in the solar system?
1101. What is it?
Jupiter.
Yeah, but Mary, no. It is 1101.
It's Jupiter. It's the largest. No, that used to be the largest universe known to man. But with effect from this year, it's different.
Oh, it's changed.
Yeah, another one was discovered. But the largest planet is Jupiter. What do bees collect and use to create honey?
Nectar.
Why are you dancing?
Because I got it.
Just one like this. The only answer you've got.
I knew all of them. I
Did you?
left for you.
Did you? You did not. Just
Teeth,
it's okay.
oxygen, 32. I knew all those.
Lies.
From Jupiter.
Lies.
Before 2022, what has been the largest universe known to man?
1101.
That's the current one,
No.
not the one before.
Before 2022, he has just explained that 2022 is Jupiter.
That's
Previously,
a
it was-
planet, not universe. Planet and universe are two different things. I don't drink water because you need it.
Is the answer true or wrong?
It's half correct. It is IC 1101. What are the three main branches of robotics?
It was me.
It was me.
It was me.
Programming, electronics, mechanics.
Rosbella, it was actually me.
What are you talking about?
It was me. I refuse. We scrap off that question.
No.
We scrap
When you hit
it
the other
off.
time, and then
Which time?
you were like, smell
Both
oxygen.
times.
I was like, what? No
Both
problem.
times I tapped,
Happened.
it was me.
Biology is the study of living things and non-living things. True or false?
False.
Why?
Because science is the study of living things and non-living things in general, so biology cannot be true.
Okay, nice one, nice one. A resistor is used to power an electric circuit. True or false?
Resistor. A resistor. And resistance is used to power an electric what? Circuit. I think it's true.
False.
It is false.
Go and study robotics. Go to class. But you said a resistor and resistance. What resistance to do what, Mary?
Of resistance?
Refuse.
A resistor
Resists current.
Yeah.
No. False, false, false.
Though, for such instances, we're going with the one who tapped first and got it wrong, so that means the rest will be just part of the footage. So, yeah. I am the basic unit of human life. Who am I?
Food.
Did you tap? The heart.
Is food correct? Wait.
Blood.
Let's guess. Blood. Basic unit of human life.
life.
Think.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. I think so. Breathing, no?
Breathing.
Wait, hold on, hang on.
Basic unit of human life.
Basic unit of human life. A human life? Basic unit. It cannot be electricity.
No, but blood is measured in what? It should be blood. It's either blood, because when you don't have blood, then when you don't have a heart, when you don't breathe oxygen in the blood.
You need oxygen in your body.
What is it?
It's a cell. A cell is the smallest unit of a living thing. There are some living things that are just made up of one cell, that exist as just one cell, like some bacteria. Then there are also living things that are made up of so many cells together, like human beings. So it is the basic unit of human life, like it is the smallest, and so many cells make up the human body. Animals that are more active at night and less active during day are called
Nocturnals.
What is www in full?
World Wide Web.
Are you sure?
www? Yeah, I'm certain, 100%.
Hashtag women in STEM.
Hashtag women in STEM.
Okay. The study of light is called?
Who was the first?
You were the first. Your hand was there before mine.
Okay. Study of light. Optics.
In which units is energy measured?
Joules.
And I knew my answer. Now I don't have many answers.
What is the highest mountain in Africa called?
Mountain Kilimanjaro.
Who invented DC electricity?
Einstein? Then it might be this man.
Newman.
Newton. Newton.
Did you just say Newman?
Newton. I said Newton.
It was Thomas Alva Edison.
Ah, Mr. Edison.
Yes, the one of the light bulb.
Isn't that the... let me not say things that are not right on TV.
What is AC in full?
Accelerating current.
No. Air conditioning.
Well, unfortunately, you're also correct.
So we are both correct.
So it's alternating current.
No, did I not say alternating?
Accelerating.
In which one did I say accelerating?
Yeah? We'll rewind the camera.
Accelerate! It be possible.
Because you're used to accelerating science in Africa, I think every A is
It could not have been, not me, Helda.
Yes,
Me.
yes.
Accelerating current.
No.
Accelerating current.
No.
I said alternating current.
Really?
What is an alloy?
An alloy is aloe vera. It's a compound. I remember it. It's a compound.
You studied those things.
Alloy. Alloy. A-double-L-O-Y. Except I don't remember.
S2 chemistry.
S2 chemistry.
I remember the word. I know it. I've
It's a,
heard it.
it's a compound something something.
Which topic was that?
Chemistry.
Which topic? That's the subject.
I don't know.
I don't remember.
I don't know.
An alloy is a substance formed by mixing two or more metals.
We knew it. Did we not?
I do.
Yeah, like take for instance, when you mix copper and tin, yeah, you form bronze.
Koti.
It's bronze.
Not Koti.
What is that? Short form. I hear short form.
Then lastly, what is HTML in full?
Hypertext markup language.
Yes, girl.
Hashtag women in tech.
Scale of 1 to 10. What you say?
6 maybe.
I'll give myself an 8.
Come on.
Yes, girl.
Hello.
Please.
Hey.
Hashtag.
Hey. All right. This camera, that camera, and that camera. It's our moment of truth. So, let's hear from the quiz master.
Mary 7.
Yay.
Bella
2.
I think I'm the one that lost since I started with me.
Bella 6.
That you failed?
I got 6.
But you still got lower than I did.
I got 6. We hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. See you in our next video. Bye-bye. I got 6.
I got 7. Okay, no, I froze. Don't freeze. How did you know red blood cells and white blood cells if you had not studied cells? See, the math is not mathing. Come for your student Rosabella. She's embarrassing you.
I have my pass mark. Now you can take the bus.